Play. Right, I just want to say a few things before we start this video. First thing, I'm Chris. I'm a climber. I love the outdoors and adventure. I just want to share my experience with you all and hopefully guide you along the way, sort of help you out on the mountains. And I just wanted to warn everyone that going out at this time of year, it's icy, it's snowy, you've got to be ready for it. You've got to have the right gear. You've got to make sure that you're experienced enough, that you know the mountains, you know your route, and you're going to make it, because nobody wants a mountain rescue to come out. Nobody wants anyone to get hurt. So if you know where you're going, you use your maps, you've got the right gear. I'd advise an ice axe in this condition. If you start slipping on a mountain, falling down a hill, you're not going to stop on snow. Just not at all. Not without the right gear. Make sure you're warm, because it gets cold. And I mean, just enjoy it. I mean, look at the scenery. It's amazing. Me and my mum, we were going to do the horseshoe Coledale round, and we got to the ridge after Grisedale Pike, or Grisedale Pike. I don't know how it's said. I go with Grisedale Pike. After we'd done Grisedale Pike, we got down to the ridge. It started hailstoning. It was battering his legs. It really hurt on the back of your legs. So we just crouched down for a while, let it blow over, and we decided not to go for the full horseshoe. So we dropped back down into the valley, out of the weather, and just potted along down there, seeing the mine on the way down. That really cool. And headed back to the car. You've just got to make the choice sometimes, and if you don't make the right choice, you're going to get hurt or you're going to get stuck. It's one of them things. Sometimes you just got to be ready for anything when you're in the mountains, and you've just got to be experienced enough to be able to deal with that. If everyone could like and subscribe, that'd be great. I'd appreciate it, because it really helps. Enjoy the video, guys.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a good Christmas. Right in the Lake District again today. It's 8 AM on Boxing Day morning. We're heading up Grisedale Pike. It's too dark. Yep. They don't capture it. Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a good Christmas. I'm making a video. I've got my mum with me today. On the way up. Look at the views. Absolutely unreal. There's Coledale Pike in the distance over there, with the snow on. We're heading up this way for now. Grisdale Pike, just going into clouds. So, tilt along here. All the way up. like it cleared off a bit now though, which is good. Eel crag, sail, causey pike, and my mum. The sun's just poking through the clouds, looks absolutely unreal. Absolutely incredible. Ice. Carry up here, don't walk on the rocks on this section. Super slippy. Worth it. Coledale Horseshoe. That includes Grisedale Pike, eel pike, sail. I don't know whether causey pike's in it or not. The causey pike's over there on the left. I'd include it, but about to say it's quite treacherous. Yeah, snow tornadoes and everything. That's quality. Huh? That's quality. That's deep snow. Very deep. at the top of Grisedale Pike after an Arctic expedition on the way up. Looks incredible though. It's at the top of Grisedale Pike. It's very snowy. Quite hard work coming up here, but it's stunning.
I just want to say, Mum, you absolutely smashed it.
Covered in snow. My hands are freezing. Grisdale Pike up there. Oh, finger in the wrong place. Come all the way back over the top, down here. And we're going to go up this one where the people are, drop down the back. The other one's in the clouds at the minute, but we'll see what happens. We might just drop back down into the valley, walk back down to the Carfruit Valley. Make some footholds for you. Just where you step in, it's just icy in places. Brutal. Massive as well. It looks like polystyrene. Watch your face. Heading down to Force Track with mine, which is just over there. Waterfall is massive. I'm bloody knackered. We're hoping there'll be a dipping pool here. It's not too big. That's up a bit higher. And not one in this one either. It's not too good, is it? Side path. What we got? Old miner's cart. So is that picture at back? Just on the way down to the car now. Just finishing up. We didn't end up doing Eel Crag, but it's been a quality day anyway. We enjoyed it. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye.